Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we're talking about KRK systems, the ROKIT G4, and more specifically we're going to talk about placing studio monitors next to the wall. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with KRK, they are one of the more popular studio monitors on the market right now. They were nice enough to send those over for us to test them out, and I'm not a music professional by any description, but I do use these to listen to music. And the more that I learn about studio monitors, one of the questions that keeps coming up is, can you place these next to the wall like I have? So let's go ahead and talk about this. So as I was researching this, many music professionals on their websites, on videos, they say do not place studio monitors next to a wall. This is rule number one, supposedly. And the reason for that is because the music that comes out of the speakers, or the sounds, whether it's bass or high frequencies, can become distorted once it exits the speaker or the studio monitor and becomes disrupted. So I'm not too sure exactly why that is. Maybe you do. If so, be sure to leave a comment below. But supposedly what you're supposed to do is have these placed far enough away from any kind of hard surface and away from the wall to help keep all of the sound or frequencies in their natural form. But if you know more about that, be sure to let us know why that is, or why the sound would be disrupted if they're close to a wall. But in my experience with using these to listen to music, placing it next to the wall is just fine. The only downfall is that when you listen to them loud, the bass is pretty good on these, especially since they're powered woofers on their own, and things can start to rattle around. So other furniture if you have nearby. But for me, for general listening music, it doesn't really make too much of a difference. But one thing that I see when I'm walking to the store is there's another musician, or there's some sort of a music studio that I walk by. They have these big glass windows and they have their KRKs hanging from the ceiling. So they're just kind of suspended in air. They definitely don't have them next to the wall like I do. But if you're going to be using these for general music listening, like connecting it to your laptop or something like that, I don't really see a personal issue with it. They still work great, they still sound great. But is there something else that I should be looking out for? If you happen to know another downfall for leaving speakers next to the wall or studio monitors next to the wall, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Another thing you probably want to consider is the size of your living situation. So I live in a pretty small apartment in Los Angeles, so I don't have the opportunity to hang these things from the ceiling or have these big incredible stands. So I kind of just put them wherever I have room. At the time being, I have it nicely set up over here, away from everything, on a wall. If you have any suggestions on how to mount these things, be sure to leave us a comment below. But hoping to get more information on why you shouldn't have studio monitors next to the wall. If you happen to know, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll look forward to it. Thanks again for watching.